Hi, I'm at Aviation Africa and I'm catching up with the Caverton group. They're here showing their MRO capabilities, which is based out of Lagos, and their training capabilities. I'm here with its COO. Hi, Rotimi, can you tell us a little bit about, firstly, the MRO in Lagos?
Thank you very much. So the MRO we have is on 40,000 square feet, and it's basically the first and the largest helicopter MRO in West Africa. We focus mainly on pretty much all the major maintenances on the helicopters. So the different types of helicopters we do maintenance on. The
Which
Leonardo,
type of helicopters are those?
the 139, Leonardo 139, the 109, the Bell 412, Bell 407s. We're introducing the 429 as well. We also have the Twin Otter that we also do maintenance on. And then we're building our capability on other airframes as well. We started off as a helicopter operator, and we want to try and gradually move into the fixed wing side of things. But for now, we're mainly focused on prop aircrafts.
So speaking about the helicopters, it's mainly offshore, is it, that you work with?
We started mainly with offshore. We do some ad hoc work in terms of VIP flights. We do some medical flights as well. So we're gradually trying to move away from offshore into maintenance, training, and hopefully we can try and get the general view of helicopter operations in Nigeria and Africa to be more common. We want more people to own their own helicopters, try and fly their own helicopters to destinations. We know that in Africa a lot of places are quite remote. We do have a lot of land. So gradually I feel that every other person should be to be as comfortable as flying in a helicopter as they do in a plane.
So I understand the AW139 is a popular helicopter, and moving on to the training, you've got quite exciting news.
Yes, so the AW139, it's a Leonardo aircraft. It's the most successful helicopter that's been made, really. And for us, we're proud to say that we own 7 of those aircrafts. And for us, the most exciting part is we actually introduced a 139 full flight simulator, which is the first in Africa, in our facility in Lagos. So we're very proud of that. It's saving us a lot because we normally have to look for slots around the world or travel out, and then we had COVID, and then we have visa delays. So now we do all our training in-house, so someone can get off, do their training, and then go back online and fly the line. We're in West Africa focus for now. So obviously we're based out of Lagos. We have four bases out of Lagos, in Port Harcourt and in Warri and Victoria Island. We also have a base in Cameroon. We have a business opening in Ghana. We don't have a base there yet. But the plan is to gradually expand across West Africa.